Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to add a pull basket into your cabinet. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm already in my kitchen cabinet function and I already have my cabinets dragged out. Okay, so what you can do is that right click onto your cabinet and then select add accessories. Okay, so as you can see, there's a name called condiment pull basket, so just drag any of them. All right, and then place it into your cabinet. Okay, and just for your information, right now your door panel is actually a swing door function, so make sure you change it to a drawer type of function. All right, so when you open it, it actually opens up like a drawer. Okay, so if let's say you would like to delete this panel, all right, as you can see the panel on the middle part, what you can do is that click onto your B, go into your board selection mode, click onto the panel and then just click on delete. Okay, so right now as you can see, you close it and then you open it. All right, so this is how you add a pull basket into your cabinet. Good luck trying, guys.